Thanks for dropping by my new channel here. YouTube is such a great place for sharing information and getting a chance to watch how other people do things that it has pretty much become my main source of research when I run across something that I don't know how to do. The only downside to that is the fact that 95% of the videos that I end up watching are mostly advertisements anymore. I mean, they make you watch 15 or 20 minutes just to learn how to do something that should seriously take like 5 minutes to do. Or they're using tools and supplies that normal everyday people don't have or can afford. I mean, it's ridiculous in my opinion. So I wanted to start a channel that was focused on how to fix or create stuff with everyday items and tools that most people either had already, they could borrow them from friends or family members, or run out really quick and pick up somewhat affordably at a local big box store. I'm going to be doing a lot of short, simple videos on how to simply fix stuff. And by fixing, I mean cooking, home and automotive repair, crafts, musical instruments, healthy eating, gardening, prepping, being self-sufficient, etc., etc. Basically, just giving you guys the knowledge that I've picked up over the last 35 years of my life. Some of it is going to be stuff that you can already find on the internet. Some of it is stuff that you're not going to find anywhere else. But the main goal here is to give everybody the best and simplest way of doing something without any advertisements or pressure to go buy that high dollar tool that you seriously don't need to fix the problem that you've got. That being said, I will warn you up front that my videos will never be super high quality and flashy, and unfortunately you guys are gonna have to put up with my ugly mug and my nasally tone of voice. But on the positive side, however, my videos will be simple, straight to the point, hence the name, Simply Fixin'. So please subscribe and share. Click that little button next to the subscribe button to get notified when I upload a new video and have something else new to share. And if you guys can, I mean, seriously, share this with your friends and family on Facebook, Twitter, all the other stuff. You know, get the word out there, because this is really stuff that I think is going to be things that anyone can benefit from learning. That's about it for tonight. I just wanted to get this quick intro out there, and hope to see you guys join up. Hope to hear from you guys in the comments. And other than that, thank you so much for stopping by. Have a great night, guys.